Hi, this is Jason Upton. In this video, I want to give you a quick tour of the ERIS Loss Control portal that comes with our EPL program. The site is available to everyone who has an EPL policy with our ERIS program. The carrier is nationwide. If you are unsure what program you are in, please let us know and we can confirm your program. If you would like assistance setting up a login, please let Gwen in our office know and she will be happy to assist. On this site, you will find thousands of resources available to you. Posters, videos, training classes, webinars are all available at no additional cost. On the portal, you can also submit questions to labor law attorneys. The service is unlimited and free to use. We encourage you to use this often. Ask before you act and avoid missteps along the way. The advice is specific to you and your organization and comes with the client attorney privilege attached. Alright, so this will be the login screen once you have your information. When you clock in, you'll first be prompted to take a survey. For purpose of time, we'll skip that at this point. This will be your home screen here. You can see lots of different things that you can do. There's a training class on HIPAA being promoted. There's an upcoming webinar that you can register for. The latest content that's been added to the website gives you a quick link there. You'll be able to set up your account profile, setting your preferences. Under preferences, this is where you'll select the state that you're interested in, maybe where you do operations. You can select several different topics that you're most interested in. This information will be pre-filled. Communications, here you can select the emails that you want to receive on certain subjects, so you can fully customize that, which is very nice. Alright, going back to the home page here, you'll see this is letting you know the progress of filling out your profile. You can see on this one it's 100%. You'll be able to mark favorites throughout the site and they'll be right here for you. Your advice, I'll talk to you about that in just a minute. That's where you get free legal advice from attorneys. You can invite people to join the web or to get a login as well by inviting them through here. The next tab is your content. This will be where information will show up based upon the preferences that you have filled out. You'll have items that are trending, which at the beginning of the year, posters are a popular subject. Recommended for you, you can see there's a sexual harassment item here. What are you doing today, which is real nice. So let's just say if you are looking for information on discrimination, if you click here and you'll see different questions that you can ask to help you find the resources you need. If you're for some reason looking at employee polygraph protection, you'll be able to select here and pull up information. So it's just more ways to try and help you navigate through the system. There are thousands of resources available to you. So we'll go back to the your content page, and over on this side you'll see leave of absence issues, wage and hour issues, hiring practices. Again, all designed to help you navigate through the system. The wage and hour obviously being a popular topic right now. You can also use the search button to look for items. The next one is the Get Advice. This is a service that we encourage you to use often. This is where you can come, you can either dial the toll-free number or you can actually submit your question through the website. This will go to actual labor law attorneys. The information comes protected and it will be specific to your organization. You can see there's a few questions you'll have here. That is just to give the attorney some background information so that when they speak with you, they'll be able to have that information and know how to give you the advice that you need. So you'll be able to submit that through here. They'll either email you back or you can ask that they give you a call. And again, if we go back here, the toll-free number, you'll just need to have your policy number and your company name. And you can see their extended hours. So it's Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. So if you're wondering what sort of questions you can ask, they have a list here that you can click on to get some ideas. Really anything that is related to employment law. If you are terminating an employee, call and talk to an attorney before you make that decision. Run it by them, get their advice, and really utilize this. This service is available to you at no additional cost, and it is unlimited. You can call every day. You can call multiple times a day. There's no additional cost to it. All right, so the next tab is resources. Here is where you can go. You can see there's 415 pages of different items. You can narrow it down here on the sides if you're looking for a specific subject. If you're looking for a specific resource type, whether it be a webinar, posters, federal laws, etc. So it just try to help you navigate through and kind of narrow down what it is you're looking for. For solutions, here is where you'll find the online training portal. We won't go into that. Well, I'll open it up and let you see that you'll be directed to this website, and you'll be able to set up users. You'll see, I think right here will show us different courses that are available. You can see sometimes it'll be specific to a state. Maine Sexual Harassment Prevention. There's a federal sexual harassment prevention here. You'll also find information on cyber on here. Whether you have a cyber policy or not, this information will still be available to you. So it's a real good source for training, and you can assign employees there to take classes as well and then track their progress. All right, back to the solutions tab. The next one is Handbook Builder. This is a very nice service as well, and you'll be able to click through here. We'll go over to it real quick. You'll be able to see that you can build an entire handbook, or you can build just an individual policy. So if you're looking to make a specific policy on a specific subject, you'll be able to walk through this. This is the consent here. Let me see if I got that right. And you'll be able to see that it'll ask certain questions, and then that will guide you through the process of setting up a certain policy, and you'll be able to customize it. The form will come up. You'll be able to insert your name. You'll be able to make changes to it, etc. And then at the very end, it will give you the opportunity to submit this to the HR team, and then they will review that for legalities and offer you advice and so forth. So again, very nice to have. Same thing with the handbook builder. They'll be able to review that handbook for you with all the changes that you've made and give you advice on that. Again, totally free, no cost to you. And again, this is all under the solutions. The what are you doing today? Again, I showed you a little bit of that earlier. If you're hiring, I need to conduct a background check. Here's some information on background checks that you may be interested in knowing. So again, that's just a quick overview here. Let Gwen in our office or myself know if you need a login or if you're unsure if you're in the ERIS program. The vast majority of our clients are. Depending on state, size, and so forth, this program may not be available or might not have been the best program for you. But again, let us know if you need any help and assistance. We encourage you to use this very often. You can assign multiple users within your organization. So let us know if we can help you, and thank you.